What's up, guys? I'm Brad Siebert. I'm with my boy Dan Medley here.
And we're here at Smail Acura. We're going to show you the new 2019 ILX A-Spec. We're going to go get in the car and get some coffee. Ready.
Let's get moving.
Adjusted. Let's do this.
Fix the seat real quick. Hold up. I'm pretty good, actually.
All right, welcome to the 2019 Acura ILX test drive. This is the A-Spec version. It's actually the technology A-Spec version. So top of the line that we got here. So one thing that was really cool, if you guys watched our 2019 MDX A-Spec video, we went to Starbucks, and that's just kind of what we do in these videos is we'll go get coffee, things like that. You know, for example, we're going to Starbucks again. So we do want to say thank you to someone, Brandon down in Florida. Thank you so much. He actually sent us a $50
awesome.
gift card. You know, saying he liked our videos, things like that. So we really want to say thank you. We did treat our dealership, you know, a lot of our sales staff to some Starbucks. Just to let any viewers know, big fans of Chipotle.
Ooh.
Big fans of Chipotle. Refresh design with this 2019 ILX. Definitely, you know, even in the A-Spec version, you got some new rims that come with it, different body side moldings that are coming with it already, as well as the different red seats. So it's not completely red on the red seats. You got the black suede coming down, which me personally, I think looks a lot better than just all red seats.
I like the contrast.
Yeah,
it's great.
I have the all red seats in my A-Spec, but I enjoy them. I like them. But
Can't really go wrong with red.
You can't.
Can't.
I mean, because you got red stitching that goes, you know, around here. You got red stitching that's going to be on the steering wheel as well.
Just grab the steering wheel.
Grab the steering wheel.
You can't do that.
Don't yell at me. Yes, I can.
10 and 2.
10 and 2. I mean, a lot of things compared to the 18 and 19. I mean, you do see that there are a lot of similarities. I mean, it wasn't a complete full top to bottom redesign by any means, but there are, you know, just some new designs in general. Like I said, I mean, we do got the diamond pentagon grille, which, you know, obviously way better than the Shield in my opinion. So finally we got that on the ILX. So now it does complete all of Acura lines, and also going to come a lot more with standard features. I know we're in a top of the line car right now, but even on the lower end of the spectrum, you're still going to get a lot of basic features that come with it, come standard with it, which has now been an Acura thing. Our standard models, premium models aren't going to be just going with nothing on them. They're going to have a lot more standard equipment with them.
It used to be, you had to add Acura Watch to do that. Now all Acura Watch features are standard. That's what he's going at there. So, you know what I mean? A pre-collision system, lane keep assist, road departure, adaptive cruise control. So all that's going to be standard. So, I mean, depending on what kind of technology from there is what you want, I mean, that's a good start, though. I mean, when you get all that, it's just standard in the vehicle.
And not only are they now coming with more standard features, but they actually dropped the price on all of them as well. You know, cars mainly, when they get updated, things like that, they actually go up in price. We actually went down, I believe, even on the standard model, like $3,000.
We did.
It does come with Apple CarPlay as well. I mean, I have that in my A-Spec, and it's the greatest thing ever. I mean,
used all the time.
Literally the only thing I use is.
I know.
I don't even have my phone connected Bluetooth anymore, just because I use it all the time.
You don't need to.
For those of you that are not familiar with Acura, Acura comes with a 4-year, 50,000 comprehensive warranty, as well as a 6-year, 70,000 powertrain. So it makes the car move. So obviously Acura likes to back all their cars. You know, we're not putting very low end miles, anything. And as anyone that knows Acura, cars last forever.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a large coffee with caramel and cream?
Okay.
And then can I get a small caramel macchiato? Gotta keep
Keep it going.
Hot, please.
Anything else?
That's all.
So like I said, we do have a 2-screen display here. Your audio is mainly going to be on here, as well as your climate controls are going to be here as well. But as you can see, these 4 buttons are going to be what control this top part up here, as well as basically just everything here will control that top part. As you have your climate controls right here, but they will display onto here. So as you can see, there's navigation on here. That you can hit phone. That's where your phone will go up there. Info, show your current drive, your trip history if you keep track of all that kind of stuff. And then when I go to smartphone is where my Apple CarPlay will be up on there. Down here, all of our climate controls, as you can see, there is auto sync, pretty standard stuff. with our heated seats. That's all going to be down here. I'll just flip buttons down here as well. Up here, do have a moonroof. Acura Link. We do have our roadside assistance as well.
A little bit about Acura Link while we're sitting here talking about that. A little bit about Acura Link here is
why don't you tell me?
They now have in the app where you can actually lock and unlock your doors instead of just being able to see your oil, seeing all that. So you are able to lock and unlock your doors using Acura Link. You're able to locate your vehicle in case something happens. You know what I mean? Call the police, be like, hey, someone stole my vehicle. Dan stole it.
Someone's in my car.
And here is the car macchiato.
Thank you so much.
For anyone that might have an Acura, this could be good for you. We're going to show you how to use the adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Some people just aren't comfortable with them. If you don't know what either of those are, adaptive cruise control is great for cruise control, and we all have that point where we're like canceling out and trying to adjust our speed and things like that. While this will allow you to not do that. It'll automatically adjust between you and the car in front of you. The car in front of you slows down, your car slows down. These speed back up, you speed back up to whatever speed that you've set it. So very cool. You don't have to keep canceling out, things like that. It's just, it adapts. Then you go to the lane keeping assist. Lane keeping assist is very nice because it'll actually keep you inside of the lanes as long as it has nice, clear marks on the ground. But it'll keep you inside of the lanes. And we're gonna test this. We're gonna show you guys, what we mean. Now, this isn't a self-driving car. I know I've said this before. It's a safety feature. Just in case we all go on those long drives, might get a little bit tired if you don't have your coffee or your NOS.
Man, you're caffeined out today.
We're all caffeined. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's true.
Probably save the coffee for later. But it'll keep you inside the lanes. It'll start alerting you that you need to put your hand back on the wheel if they're having to come off. So very, very cool features.
So easy to activate and easy to use as well. Just to turn it on, there's a little main button here on the steering wheel. Click that. 2 green things pop up. That's how you know you're able to use it. So the adaptive cruise control, you set it like any other cruise control. You see set, acceleration, resume. I'm going to click set. As you can see, the speed will pop up there, 56 miles per hour, and a bunch of little lines behind the car.
Speed limit's 55, buddy. We don't break the law.
I need to slow down.
Yeah, you slow that car down.
Let me slow it down. All right, we're good. So the car on the little picture there means there's picking up a car in front of us. As you see, it went blank and it's flashing a little bit here. That means it's starting to lose the car because of the distance between us and the car in front of us.
Because they're speeding and they're bad people.
Exactly. But anyway, you can change the distance between you and when it slows you down just by clicking this little button here. Car lines behind it. Self-explanatory. You'll see it slow down to 1 car length, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Other than that, the other feature Dan was just talking about over there is the lane keep assist. So that, you see a little steering wheel with lines. As soon as I click this, you're going to see 2 lines pop up outside that car. So what that's going to actually do is when they're solid white like they are, it's going to hold me within the lane. So I can actually let go of the steering wheel. You didn't see this. It's not illegal. Not illegal. So you can see me let go of the steering wheel. It's holding us directly in the middle of the lane.
We're going to take a little curve up here. So that's one thing to keep track of. It's staying in the curve.
Here it goes.
And avoiding potholes. No, I wish. That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome.
Yeah. So we stay right there in the lane.
Look at that.
Very smooth. Watch out.
Look at that.
Told you to watch out. So we have a car that's going to be coming up on our left side. We'll kind of demonstrate how it works. So what he's going to do is he's going to turn on his turn signal when this car comes up.
Here he is. You'll see it light up. And then as soon as I hit my turn signal,
hear the noise, lets you know that someone's in your blind spot. Why do you think you should buy Acura?
Well, our reliability for 1 and our warranty for 2. So our reliability is top notch in the industry. No one argues the reliability of Acura products, which of course is known with Honda. Honda is the parent brand of Acura, and no one ever questions the reliability of Honda either. We still have people coming in with 20-year-old Acuras, 200 and some thousand miles on them, and they're like, why should I get rid of this car? It's great. And that's a problem for me and Dan, don't get me wrong.
On my end, why I think you should buy Acura. At first, I drive an Acura, absolutely love it. I'm not just one that might sell the car and not drive what I sell. I live by the brand. I love it. That's why I drive a TLX. Absolutely love my car. The cost of repair is, something you have to take in consideration down the road.
And trust me when I say this, Dan is cheap. So
super.
So, yeah, not very many luxury brands can say you can step into our car right around the $26,000 range and still have all
Not
those
less.
yeah, all those features standard. You know what I mean? Like, not many vehicles can say that. That's one thing Acura prides themselves in, is the value of what they charge the customer versus what their car is actually worth. They don't do the markup. They don't do all that and then take the money back off. They know what their cars are truly worth.
Yeah, I agree with that. And one of the things is, you go to some of these other places, oh, you'll get $8,000 off. Well, why didn't they just take that $8,000 off in the beginning? You know, if they don't happen to give you all 8,000 of that off, then your car is going to depreciate so much more compared to what you pay for it. Compared to Acura, they price it right, and they hold their value incredibly because of that. A lot of people ask, why should we come to Smail? And
big question.
I can't stress this enough, and I know to some people we sound like salesmen selling this. Smail is so much different from tons of other dealerships. Smail is just we're family owned. It's a lot more comfortable coming in here and purchasing a vehicle from us compared to a lot of it's very stress free. We're not gonna hound you. We're not overly aggressive. We cater to you. We want to make this a comfortable environment for you to come in, purchase a car, make it quick and easy, get the deal that you need.
I mean, throughout the year, we do a bunch of different things for people. We do the Troops First Foundation. We do breast cancer awareness. I mean, we've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to these. We do food drives. We did toy drives.
Oh, speaking of that, winners of this year's food drive, boom. I was the commander-in-chief behind that.
Boss man.
You know what? It was thanks to everybody else. So we are number one, Acura one, versus all this other 10 other Smail dealerships. We're number one. Remember that, Honda.
So a couple things with our backup camera here that comes standard. What's kind of nice about it is we have a multi-view backup camera. So 3 different views. As you see Dan clicking through it, they're going to change. We have a wide angle, which is that one right there. You can pretty much see straight out from the bumper. You got your normal view, a little bit more zoomed in. That's pretty much your normal standard backup camera. And then the last one, of course, that's actually our bumper down at the bottom there. So you can actually see if you're parking against a curb, you're parking against a wall in your garage, something like that. You can see how close you're getting.
If you ran over somebody, you can see if they're still alive without getting out of the car.
Smart move.
You gotta be smart. We also have fixed guidelines, so go ahead, turn the wheel.
Yeah, I'll turn that real quick.
As you can see,
boom.
I'm just gonna adjust it there. It's very, very accurate.
All right, guys, so here concludes our test drive on the new 2019 ILX. Got our coffee. It was a good ride.
If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or negative comments towards my weight, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Or you can come visit us right off Route 30 in Greensburg, right past the mall, or check us out at smailacura.com.